walk us through how it works, and let's go back through, because we already talked about kind of like all the people involved, right? We talked about the driver, we talked about dispatch, we talked about mobile repair technician. So let's go through one at a time how this app makes the process more efficient and makes the experience, it's already a bad experience, but makes it a little less painful.
With our application, we have an app that the driver can use if they really do want to use that part of it and actually put the order in. We can have a portal for the customer where they can actually put the order in to a service provider. So once the technician is assigned the job and they accept it, we can then send a text to the driver, and that driver can, and we can send that link to the dispatcher and anybody else that wants to watch. They can see the technicians, like in an Uber, driving to that location. So there's peace of mind from the driver's side and the dispatcher. All those back and forth phone calls. Hey, where's your tech? Where's the tech? Where's the tech? Is eliminated through a visibility of right where they stand. And then the dispatcher, they have all the control right there. They know where the tech is. They know where the driver is. We can even geolocate the driver.